Welcome back, pool enthusiasts. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to dive deep into the world of billiards and reveal the top 10 things you must know in pool. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, these tips will help you take your game to the next level. So, grab your cue, chalk it up, and let's get started. Number 1. Master the basics. When it comes to pool, mastering the fundamentals is crucial. Get comfortable with your stance, grip, and bridge hand position. Learn how to aim properly and develop a consistent stroke. These skills form the foundation of your game, so practice them regularly. Number 2. Understand English. No, we're not talking about language here. In pool, English refers to applying spin to the cue ball. Learn how to use side spin, top spin, backspin, and how they affect the path of the cue ball after contact. English can be a game changer when it comes to controlling the position and angle of your shots. Number 3. Master the art of positioning. Positioning the cue ball for your next shot is just as important as sinking the ball itself. Study the angles, use the appropriate amount of power, and plan ahead. With practice, you'll be able to position the cue ball precisely where you want it, giving you a strategic advantage over your opponents. Number 4. Know your patterns. Great pool players think several shots ahead and plan their patterns accordingly. Instead of focusing solely on the current shot, visualize your next moves. By understanding the natural paths of the balls and planning your shots accordingly, you can make the game-winning shot a lot easier. Number 5. Master the break shot. The break shot sets the tone for the entire game. It's a powerful stroke that requires technique and finesse. Learn how to control the speed and accuracy of your break shot to maximize your chances of sinking balls and maintaining control of the table from the very beginning. Number 6. Study the rail shots. Rail shots can be intimidating, but they're an essential skill to master. With practice, you'll develop a keen sense of how the cue ball reacts when it hits the rails. This knowledge opens up new opportunities and allows you to execute shots that would otherwise be impossible. Number 7. Bank shots and kick shots. Bank shots and kick shots are like trick shots that can turn the game in your favor. Learn the techniques involved in these shots, including visualizing the angles, calculating the rebounds, and adjusting for deflection. With these shots in your repertoire, you'll be able to make seemingly impossible shots with confidence. Number 8. Control your emotions. Pool is a mental game as much as it is a physical one. Learning to control your emotions, especially in high-pressure situations, can make a significant difference in your performance. Stay focused, stay calm, and maintain a positive mindset throughout the game. Number 9. Practice, practice, practice. There's no shortcut to becoming a skilled pool player. Dedicate time to regular practice sessions, both alone and with others. Challenge yourself with different game variations and practice drills to improve your skills, accuracy, and consistency. Number 10. Study the pros. Finally, take the time to watch professional pool players in action. Study their techniques, strategies, and shot selections. By observing the best in the game, you can gain valuable insights and incorporate their winning strategies into your own gameplay. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 things you must know in pool. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get out there and start honing your skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow pool enthusiasts. Until next time, keep shooting.